Hello, my fiery souls. Welcome back to Tarot with Donna, where we ignite the magic of tarot and dive deep into the heart of love and relationships. I'm so excited to be guiding you through the cosmic energies of Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius this December. Whether you are in relationship, single, or looking for some clarity, these messages are going to light up your love life in the best possible way. I've already shuffled the cards, so let's jump right into the juicy details of what's coming your way in love this month. Get ready for some sparks to fly. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let me know how this message resonates with you. Your energy is everything, and I love hearing from all of you. Alright, fire signs, let's see what the universe has in store for your passionate hearts this December. Aries, my bold and passionate soul, you are all about action, adventure, and leading your way with your heart. This December, love is about to heat up in a way that will make your heart race. Because we have the chariot card. Oh, yes, Aries, the chariot. And it is all about moment, determination, and taking control of your love life. If you are in a relationship, this card is telling me that both of you, are ready to take the things to the next level. If you are dating, to engagement to marriage, wow. There's a strong sense of direction here. You and your partner are setting clear intentions for where you want to go together. It's time, it's time to, buckle up and steer your relationship towards success. Whether it's a commitment, a big decision, or simply a bold step forward, you are in the driver's seat. I can see that. My single Aries, the chariot is bringing you the energy to take charge of your love life. You know what you want, and it's time to go after it. I can see some of you, you like that particular person, but you're not approaching. Okay, so this is the time you can approach that person and you can expect, the movement that you were seeking in the relationship. There could be someone who catches your eye and someone who matches your energy and drives you wild. Don't wait for love to come to you, and take the initiative and make things happen, okay? Go after your desires with confidence and you will attract the right person at the perfect moment. So, Aries, gear up. Love is taking you places this month and you are going to enjoy every moment of the ride. Trust me. All right, let's check out my radiant and passionate lions, the Leos. When it comes to love, Leos are all about loyalty and heartfelt connection and living life to the fullest. Now, let's see what the cards have in store for you this December. The card that we have for you is the Lovers. Oh, wow. Oh, Leo, this card is the card of soul connections and deep, deep love. Whether you are already in a relationship or waiting for the right person to come into your life, the Lovers is bringing you a powerful bond. If you are in relationship, it's about deepening your connection and aligning more with each other's heart. This could be the month you and your partner make some soulful decisions about your future, whether it's a commitment or something that moves you to the next chapter of your life. My single Leos, this card is absolutely magical. The Lover's card. I can see the energy of true love is on the way. Get ready for a relationship that feels right, one that's in perfect alignment with your soul. Trust me, you're going to meet someone who feels like you're a match made in heaven, someone who sees you for the amazing person you are and shares the same vision for life. What a beautiful energy for the single specifically. Get ready to fall ahead over heels, Leo. I mean, just wow. This is your month to experience love that's deep, passionate, and soul connected. No more surface level relationships. No more, Leo. You deserve a love that is truly extraordinary. Beautiful card and beautiful energies, Leo. Now comes my free spirited soul, the Sagittarius. You love to explore, expand your horizons, and live life with joy and passion. Let's see what the cards have in store for you in love this December, Sagittarius. We have the Fool card. Oh, Sagittarius, this is one of the most exciting cards you can get in a love reading. The Fool is all about new beginnings, taking leap of faith, and going into the unknown. If you're in a relationship, get ready for something exciting, new energy to come in. You or your partner will decide to take a bold leap forward, maybe an adventure, a travel. Some of you are making you know, the trip plans, okay, going on vacations, okay. Some of you I can see are going on a overseas trip. That is, I can see heavily, you know, and purchasing or buying a home, making a big change together. This is what I'm seeing. It's all about, you know, the journey which is full of uh, unexpected events. This is a month of refreshing newness for you both. My single cities, the pool is bringing fresh starts and open doors in love. You might meet someone who is just as adventurous as you are. Okay, some of you are about to meet a person who is about to challenge you to step out of your comfort zone. Okay, and you will be able to see yourself in a whole new light just because of that particular person. The energy here is playful and full of possibility. You never know where this particular next adventure will take you, Sagittarius, but it could lead to a love story like no other. So, Sagittarius, get ready for a new chapter in love that's full of excitement, adventurous, and spontaneous passion. Lovely energies. Wow, fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag. December is heating up with exciting love energy for all of you. From taking charge of your love life to soulful connections and new beginnings. This is a month where your love life is set to ignite in the most beautiful and passionate way. If this reading resonated with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. I would love to hear how the cards spoke to you and what's happening in your love life. Your energy is everything to me. And if you want more cosmic guidance, follow me on Instagram at Tarot with Donna. Sending you all so much love and positive energy as we wrap up the year. Let your heart shine bright this December and get ready for the love to light your world on fire. Until next time, stay bold, stay passionate, and stay magical. Bye for now.